Ready to unlock a new world of payments and tap into the global crypto market? Let's dive into setting up Coinbase Commerce for your online business. First, head over to Coinbase and create a new account. You'll need a valid email address and a secure password. Make sure to verify your email address after signing up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Now, we need to generate API keys. Navigate to the Settings tab and then click on API keys. Click the Create API Key button. Give your API key a descriptive name, like website payments or Shopify integration. Copy and securely store your API key and secret. Remember, these keys are sensitive, so keep them safe. Now, let's integrate Coinbase Commerce into your website. You have a few options for popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Look for official Coinbase Commerce plugins, install and activate the plugin, then enter your API key and secret when prompted. If you're using a custom website or platform, you'll need to use the Coinbase Commerce API. You can find detailed documentation on the Coinbase Commerce website. This involves using code to create payment requests and handle callbacks. Back in the Coinbase Commerce dashboard, you can manage your transactions, view reports, and track your earnings. You can also customize your payment settings, like accepted cryptocurrencies and settlement preferences. Coinbase Commerce supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. You can choose which cryptocurrencies you want to accept during the setup process. Explore the security features and reporting tools to optimize your sales and understand your financial data. Coinbase Commerce offers robust security measures to protect your transactions. And that's it. You've successfully set up Coinbase Commerce and are ready to accept cryptocurrency payments from customers worldwide. Embrace the future of digital payments.